this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford Edge SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has front-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we have a tow hitch receiver, a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler with some nice black accents on this vehicle, and moving to the front here, we do get license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You get hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, lights, cubby holes. You get a cargo area protector with storage below with your spare tire. When we do get the ability to collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior, plenty of door space with floor mats, carpet interior. We got rear vents, 12 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat, some storage, and the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. Got your lights right there, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 140,311 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for that screen, play back, play forward, phone, voice, mute, volume, cruise control, and toggle for this screen. We do get some paddle shifters here, which is pretty nice. And look at here, you can go for trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, cup holders, auto stop, auto start, some storage here with the USB, sink. We do get some storage here, pretty nice, upper and lower storage. Got your climate controls right here, rear window defrost, play back, play forward, or pause and play, eject, engine start stop, storage below. All your media controls are right here. You can go through all your settings from here, so if you want to hit direct, you just hit that button there. Tune, volume, little number keypad here. Got your CD, music, you can update all your settings there, radio, mute, media, so you got your Bluetooth capabilities, clock, phone, menu, sync, and you got storage above as well. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is ED54539E, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.